So guys, in this video I will show you that how you can create complete responsive blog project using Spring Boot and Thymeleaf in the front end. I've used HTML5 and CSS3 as well as Bootstrap. Okay, so this is the complete project and I will step by step show you that how you can create this kind of project. You can use this for real-time project as well as for college project, etc. So guys, this is the front end section and I will show you also the backend part. So let me show you the backend part. So first, when you will try to access any page, it will ask for login. So this is my user and password. Now I'll log in, and this is the admin dashboard. And you can see this header footer separately, and this is logout button. If you log out and if you try to access once again any page, then it will redirect you to the login page. Next, I will show you that how we can create a category. So this is basically posting website, means article website, blog website. Okay, category. Let's create here category. This is one of the categories. So I will create here say. Now actually this has parent and child concept also. That means this is an advanced section. So now I'm going to create the root category. So I will name it as computer just. Okay, and here slug of course will be computer as well. Okay, so there was some bug, I just fixed it. So whenever you write here computer, automatically it will be generated, because I have written here one code, you can see, which converts the text into slug. Okay, after replacing it. So when I'll be covering this in detail, I will show you that how this works, but for the time being just I'm showing that how this works. Okay, so let's create one category, and this is computer category. Computer category, this is active. Okay, now save. So guys, as you can see, it is successfully saved here. If you want to add it, then you can add it as well. Now if you want to save, so let's create another category. This time we will create the category under computer. So we'll say it Spring Boot or Java, simply Java, and then lowercase. It's been created automatically, you can see. I'll write here Java course as well. Now again active, and save it. So guys, now you can see this one also has been inserted successfully. Now if you add it, then you can see it is coming under computer, because the Java is under computer. That's why it's displaying you like that. Alright, so now the category section is done. Now let's go to the post section, and inside the post section I've already added one. If I want, let's delete this first and let's create another one. Okay, so I'll write here I am learning Spring Boot. And here also there is problem, so let me fix it. Alright, so now it's fixed. So I am learning Spring Boot. So now it's done. Now inside content, let's put some dummy content here. Lorem ipsum. Let's say this content we are going to put. What is selecting all? Okay, so let's put here, and then select category under which we want to put it. So let's select Java, and now we can upload featured image, as well as we can say that okay, if this is featured or not, because based on the feature we will display in the home page also. So now let's select any image. So I will take any image from here. Okay, now let's add another one. So I will name it as another news. So content section, something like this. Now select category. So once again I will select here Java, and then let's select another image. Say I'm selecting this one. Now make it featured and active as well. So now successfully added, and then edit can be also done here. Now let's add another post. Now this time let's add this in computer. And then I'm selecting this one, save post. So 3 posts has been successfully added here. Now let's go to front section. That means here, go home page. You can see 3 posts successfully has been displaying here. Now if I click on any one of these, then it will display here. And not only that, user can see the post and comment as well. For example, if I'm writing here comment, say full name, then comment title, it's very good, and here is my comment. Now post comment. This comment has been successfully added, but if you refresh, then you won't see anything here. Why? Because it's been added like this, that if admin approves only, then the comment will appear here. Now let's go to the admin and comment section, and then you can see this is the comment and it's pending currently. So if I approve, and if you refresh here, then your comment will appear here. So that's important thing, because this has been done to prevent any spam comment. Now if you select on any one of the category, for example computer, then under computer this is one of the category, that's why it's displaying. If you select in Java, then there are 2 posts, that's why it's coming here. If I select, then once again it comes here. Now home, about, services, contact, all these pages has been added here. In the home page it's been added 2, 3, that's why it's coming here 3 posts. So guys, so step by step I will show you that how you can create complete blog using Spring Boot and Thymeleaf and HTML, and of course JavaScript has been also used in this. So guys, stay connected. In the next chapter I will show you how you can create this complete blog. You can use this for college project, you can this for your further learning.